2011 aningkan Assam Sarkar Finance Department pen Traditional Village Council upon nangkapalit ang kakunatsi lutchoklo. Lamding Road kilometer kreni along rada tumlong leka chirai Japan Kabori Ington Tilen. Dipu Club along Srimad Bhagavat Seva Samiti Central Committee Keseng. Kardom nili karbi abirda tanbang thari chesong teron non birda ang tonpen arjik tham. Pai pai ni pai thong cap arni kang sampor pai pho pen dipu bina pani PHI bialong hampang song in koraplia tumpen perangkya mai ing nipon. Karbi Long Term Council pen the art of living upon longleki people na bangki chedonon tekte. Bang so longleki people apotak hampang song in korapli pen sodak pen rempon lo. The art of living atum seki ki people nangji ke ladakali North India mate barpi barso ke do ahem kawe. Adi malong asonson si seki pidam nangji. Halapu ke namtang Karbi Long Term Council kelik ke bado pon ke Indian arona lo along ke do article 243 ke ating pen gaung panchayat aron pensi ke padopon bonta Indian arona lo along ke tokpon article 243M ating penle langdam lote 6 schedule along realong abang ke gaung panchayat abang ke padopon un ipusi jongpon daklo kedamtang surihinira crazy aningkan arkoy ni paing korapo arni Assam Sarkar Finance Department pen Traditional Village Council apan tangka sika krol parohinira suri trok sikep rai sira paro po tangka nang palilo setami bangso tangka karbi serwan kep along an pali damde pusi perangkya mailong J.I. Katharpen ning Jepon camera person Stefan Teronopen Ratis Rongpar Kat News Difu.
Under Article 243K of the Constitution, it is a Panchayat law, Panchayat election patibole. Under Article 243M likha ase je under Article 243 to Panchayat law jitu ka article ase from 43 to 243 to 243 ZG loike etu council mane 6 schedule under etu applicable nohoy boli koise applicable nohoy te applicable nuhua ain loi pelai election to patile heikane এই যেটো কাউন্সিল অলরেডি এতিয়া আছে আমি এটো লিগ্যাল বলি কব নোৱাৰো কনস্টিটিউশনাল বলি আইনতে কব নোৱাৰো স্ট্ৰিক্টলি স্পিকিং উই ক্যান নট সে দ্যাট ইট ইজ কনস্টিটিউশনাল ইলেক্টেড বলি আমি কব নোৱাৰো হেইকাৰণে এটো কৰিবই লাগিব আৰু এটো পঞ্চায়ত আইন মতে ইলেকশনটো পাতা কাৰণটো আমাৰ এটা সেকশন আছে গভৰ্নমেন্টত বা political national political parties major ase especially BJP major ase congress to ase congress to je 6 schedule to nalage to panchayat he thakibo lage boli hey karone in order to pave the way for abolishing 6 schedule and to establish panchayat election to panchayat law mote kora hoise in order to abolish 6 schedule and to pave the way for establishment of panchayat.
Dipupen lamding kedam kilometer krenia towar arai long ingnam rai kamalongli radatum aron repen kachirai bangso dimlong forest west division ahin pen abatai batai rod pen kachesong data pini arni anta radatum kachirai Japan ington pon pelang Forest West Division DFO pen Japan siya batay radatum apan adimalong pen pachedamlo lapen bangso adimalong kapachirai long le de Japan si radatum apan thanpari dunbomlo seta radatum arjujesi adimaklong along an kachirai mate ke pandam tu Japan damsi bangparo pliso se aradatum chepeng pen ke pan pangcheng ponlo bangso ho dry kom saiki akirap enponsi Assistant Conservator of Forest Bikram Singh Rongpi Headquarter Karbi Anglong Daflu Deploy Hinpen Adimalong Anpali Dunsi Radpen Chingwai Ponlo Jong si Bangso Adimalong Radatum Patoyti Pulote Kevangji Arnia Bangke Kapregang Damnang Kokpo Pusi Perangke Angno Ning Jepon.
Here felling started on 29th of July. And since then it has been carrying on by some people all over Karbi Anglong, from East Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong. So my staff, my field staff, along with my rangers and myself, we have requested to the public not to carry on this illegal felling at reserve forest area. So with my request, with the request of the encroachment leaders, today all of them have left the area and they are willing to not come again. And secondly, I have told them that if the third time they come again here, then some form of action will have to be taken against them.
Camera person Stefan Teron Open, Ratis Rongpar, God News, Difu. Pai pai ni pai thong kep arni kang sampor pai ke thoma porpen Difu Club Srimat Bhagawat Seva Samiti atumpen Central Committee keseng amai bidupon.
Labangso amai long mai kachoripon abarim ADC TK Burman lapen Srimad Bhagawat Seva Samiti amai phikedeng dun Sima Rong Hangpi Working President Biren Hanse Dunmai Phu S Banerjee Lawrence Teron Kongchun Bang Dhurbo Rama lapen Kembang Phu Arpuche Pekponsi Mesen pen keseng amai pachunpon. Non malam so por pan diena parman birta mungton pon iksene. Please step in a newly opened EduTown. A branded quality of varieties item will be available here. Keck's Legacy, Mr. Rup Singh Tissot, near Difu Photo Studio, MG Road, Karbi Anglong, Difu. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available: list of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming, full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup. List of facial: signature facial, signature galvanic facial, signature Orledas facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial, and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road, near Aturkimi Outlet, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Deka 9435539500. On behalf of Asian Infotech Computer Education Center, this institution is conducting a Students' Career Counseling meeting on the subject of IT sector under NIELIT, Govt of India. All concerned parents and guardians are invited to attend the said meeting. Venue and date is as follows. For Difu Center, venue Asian Infotech Computer Education Difu near Central Bank of India. Dated 2nd of September 2017. Time 9 to 10 a.m., 10 to 11 a.m., 11 to 12 p.m., 12 to 1 p.m., 3 to 4 p.m., and 4 to 5 p.m. Contact number 9859039698. For Hauragat Center, venue Kirat Bhavan, dated 3rd of September 2017, time 11 a.m. onwards. Contact number 8638723369. Opening shortly. A school for playgroup to class 4. Facilities: big and clean classroom, trained and friendly teachers, playway method, creative activities, audio-visual, aided teaching, drill, dance and origami. Child development and education. Learning process with parents as partner. St. Anthony's English School, Lower Dilaji, Birla, Difu 782460, Karbi Anglong. Contact 9859609475, 70027709599, 99576075661. Email santanthonyschool@yahoo.com.
Aturkimi Outlet opposite LDRB Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesiri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি? এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই, কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ। বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব।
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ।
Royal Enfield, Ishan Motors, Ward number 2 near CCI Limited, Dimapur Road, NH 39. Chandrapur, Bogazan 782480, District, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
বৰ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ গোন্ধ আহি আছে যে জুটি লগা আসলতে ইয়াৰ আৰত কি আছে
ইয়াৰ আৰত আছে কাঞ্চ সৰিয়হৰ তেল স্বাস্থ্যসন্মত বিশুদ্ধ
আৰু সোৱাদযুক্ত
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্চ জুচ বাইদি বেটো কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰসৰটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্চ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্চ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক
কাঞ্চ জুচ
Dihinamo pipotot birtalong wangtulo. Karbi Mountain Council Session Hall along Pai ni Paithong Cap Arni. Krehini ang ding Karbi Mountain Council Kitching C Session ing Nippon.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council a Chairman Horen Singh Be Chapahem Pupen Pai Thom Cap Arni. Kapado Session along CEM Tuliram Rong Hangahin Pen CAG report aputhak. Kaching YG upon Session along Jaipon. CAG alam session along Jaida Peak, Akimi CAG report Kelang Chari Japan Akimi House Committee Sengponang Popusi, Chairman Bay House along Pachini 2. ABC D Uping Maslayapan Maipu Batsi Akimi House Committee Sengpon 2.
Kinamtang Pai ni Pai in Coroner Cap Arni Dilay Higher Secondary School along Ingdeng Tongkep Retroxy KC Dilay Head Branch Samhang Ketek Arni, Katalon Pon Abirta Katnews Asay Hempi alongan Birta Nang Pale. Ada porpai trok sipen kesi alama kesi dilay head brand sa may punobin kiling bensi kesi alama pangjar ponlo. Porpai ner keba por malompen kachikimo say pangchingpon. Apitu may pun nobin rong pipen japon si armu kachijing pangchingpon. Divisional Forest Officer West East Division atum apan panongsi Lahore Region Forest Beat Officer reading ipak pinporalo pajirpon. Pinporalo long tengpi tengprang Rainangji Maranapi Rainangji Lapen Aron Repen Nampi Namdur Nang Kipri Adim Prabjin Pen Tengpia Klim Idam Serak Nangji Pu Heihui Jongpon Radamai Pikepedu Ponalong KC Dilay Head Branch Maipu Nobin Rong Pipensi Mai Chephem Pu Pon Aluhisar Po Man Pen MEC Long Kitimung Chetongdun Lapen KC CEC Akonchun Bang Moniram Tokbi KC CEC Dunmaipu Mirjeng Kro Bodhoterang Roadside Klembang Joysing Timung Penamparta Dilay Song Ahampang KRA Karsa Kanchasdikom Maipu Chunbangatum Penchinglok Penangan KSE Dilay Head Branch Abarim Maipu La Penchunbangatumta Chitongdun MEC Timung Ariding Pen KSE Dilay Head Branch Amhang Ketek Arni Akek Ingthan Pon Amparta Dilay Ahawar Pen MPhil Kitanga Bangpi Krishna Tironpi Lapen Rajasthan along marathon keka top 10 kilongdun harata kro aphan ta archupon Pinia Birta bang kelapan si kang ton poneklo, langi bom the card news channel, do meet help me, Koran